So I'm Toby Woolfe, and I'm going to be talking to you about some work we're doing to improve the efficiency of a car factory. And to bring that to life, I'm going to explain how I work as an engineer in this car factory. Today, my list of scheduled tasks starts off with changing the hydraulic oil in a robot. This is something you have to do every 6 months. But on this occasion, I get a prediction. On my mobile phone, I get an alert that says there's a far more important task that has to be done urgently. So I read the information, and it tells me that we have a 90% prediction that something is going wrong on a very specific machine. So I look at the details, and it tells me that a servo is overheating. Now, we know that if a servo melts down, it can take about 50 hours to repair, and that would massively impact production in the factory. It costs us several cars a day when these things stop. So what I'm now seeing is that I have an alert with this very specific action. So immediately, having noted where the robot is, I head to the stores to go and get the parts I need. And I'm very pleased to see my friend Peter there has already also received the same alert. So he's prepared all of the parts I need before I even get there. That saved me a lot of time. So I say, thanks, Peter. He says, do you know where the robot is? And I say, yep, absolutely. There's a little map here that tells me where I've got to go. And also it begins to give me the safety information so I can begin to change the servo properly, turning the power off and getting the help I need. So I'm now at the robot that needs this servo taking off, and I'm following the instructions on my phone because we've managed to capture the information from the manual of the steps that you have to take to change a servo. So I'm just following the instructions. My phone rings at that point, and it's my boss who calls me to say, I've seen an alert that's very important. It's critical that we get this done within the next 6 minutes. And I reassure him that I've already got the right parts. I've got the instructions. I'm following the safety code. And I actually know what I'm doing here because I've just seen a very short video that tells me the tips and tricks to do with changing this servo. So I'm actually very confident I can make this fix in time. I get on with the job. I press the button afterwards to say that I've actually fixed the fault and the instructions were good. So next time someone also has to do this, they will also get the same instructions. Now, this very simple task scheduling that optimizes my work also means I can act intelligently. I've only been working in the factory a month, but I've got the wisdom of years of experience from my colleagues on how to fix these kind of problems. So we're all working as a team now. Net result in this case is that we're making an extra 4 cars a day just on one line because we don't have the outages that we used to get when one robot stops the entire line because of something ridiculous like a meltdown. The temperature alerts are telling the IBM system in a way that allows us to predict, to act in a way that's optimized, and to deliver an intelligent solution. So that's how we're delivering value to the car company.